So there is some problem with the internet actually. So I'm just trying to put in the personal hotspot. I'm not sure how the quality of the audio will be, but just try to see the data. Hope this will not be having a problem. If any problem, I have nothing can be done because last 2 days I have internet problem. Frequent disconnection happening with Airtel actually. So let's see. This is a camera pivot point spot level for tomorrow. The pivot point 15332 and here for bank nifty spot 34949. In case we break 35,000 and cross below this level, then we have to become bearish and look for keep an eye on 35,000 put option where at least I'm expecting some 150 points of move can come if the market continues to see the downside actually. So downside means a normal correction. It's not that the market is going to crash. Okay, we are going to see some correction. 35. If you see 30 now almost 35,000 level, we should see 34,000 levels. That's what my expectation is for this week expiry actually. So Nifty P ratio has come to almost 29.5 levels and now 24.06 for Bank Nifty and VIX has been almost below now 19.9 actually now around below 20. Yesterday as I mentioned, yesterday 10% rise in the VIX and then option prices are taken up on the upside and then today now 5% downside on the VIX we can see. And next thing will be your cash market data. Cash market is very very bullish, no doubt. You can see keep on buying. People are keep on buying, only buy on dips. Once we go below this level 20 moving average, then only we can see some problem. Till the time there is no issues at all. Then let us see. Okay, I'm not taking much time. I'm just trying to cut short the video today because I don't have much time now. For any time the video is getting discontinued. So here you can see for 3rd June now everything is buying mode only now. So in case like tomorrow 35,000 put option, the chart I want to show is here 35,000 put option. So 35,000 put option, if you see here today high was 143 and low was 402 and we close at 439. Tomorrow we go below 400 and cross above 400. Okay, definitely tomorrow there will be a small gap, at least there will be a small gap because everybody is bullish and at the open market everybody want to buy only. Will not go for gap down. As I mentioned yesterday, also mentioned that there is a gap down, the market will close on the higher side, and if it's a gap up, then market will be closing on the lower side. That's what happened in the today market also. So tomorrow, the market want to go down. First, will open at gap up or 100 points, at least 100 points gap up in the bank nifty, 150 points gap up, and the gap up, and then only it will come down. So keep an eye on 35,000 put option. 30,000 put option, if it goes below 400 and then starts moving above 400, then I'm expecting that it should touch at least 600 levels, like 650 levels at least it should touch. So it means that 250 points you should see some gain actually in case of bank nifty from 34,000 put option. And in case you want to short for 35,000 call option, if you see here high today was 693. Whatever be the gap up here, if we go above 693 and then come below 693, 700 maybe possibly you can go to 700 750 levels possibly also, but in case we just go below 693, then you can comfortably short 33,000 call option also. But don't get into straddle now, because there is no point in getting into straddle because the total straddle is coming to around 600 plus 400,000 50. Maybe on straddle you make some 100 points, 150 points only, 150 points maximum. But in case of buying a put option here, you can make some good profit here with less margin, because in case of like ICC direct, if you go, you will get 2 times leverage. For example, you want to buy for 4 lots of this 400 rupees put option, you may have to pay another brokers 40,000 rupees roughly for 4 lots, but here you may need to pay only 20,000 rupees. So that's one benefit you can get. In case your broker also giving some leverage like that, you can try it out that way. And today also, if you see here the levels for today, this is a pivot point here. The pivot point we came down here and just below the pivot point we sustained from morning till 11:15 actually. Almost like 3 hours we've been spending below the pivot point. Once we crossed about the pivot point, we keep on shooting up here, but never we crossed below the pivot point here actually. So this is the one, just make it, take note of this. And this line, what you can see, green line is a 200 moving average actually in the 5-minute chart. So Arun indicator also gave some buy signal here, and this also gave buy signal. About this 200 moving average is giving very good support actually. Only below this level only we can become bearish actually. Yesterday also it came below this 200 moving average for a few minutes. maybe like you can tell almost like 7 candles in 5 minute chart, and here also it can 3 4 candles came below this and started moving above. So whenever it touches this and crosses above this 200 moving average in the 5 minute chart, become bullish, and that's the time you can go for a call option, buying call option also. It's giving good results actually. Hope you like the video. In case you like the video, please subscribe, like the channel. Today the audio quality I'm not sure about how it will be. Just bear with me. Thank you so much.